Hi everyone, today let's unbox Hong Kong and its road cards. Hong Kong has a pile of tax, global financial center, free port, gateway to the Chinese mainland, etc. China's proposed Belt and Road Initiative has given Hong Kong even more road cards and skill sets that will benefit Hong Kong's prospects. What kind of road card does Hong Kong have, and can Hong Kong go further global on the wings of BRI? Welcome to the unboxing channel where we unbox China through its laws and policies. First thing first, the BRI proposed by China in 2013 aims at building a trade and infrastructure network connecting Asia with Europe and Africa along the ancient trade routes of the Silk Road. So we are talking about global development and connectivity here. With this on table, let's see where Hong Kong is positioned. Under one country, two systems, Hong Kong has unique dual advantages of being part of China, but with its own economic, social, and legal systems. They maintain Hong Kong's status as the freest economy in the world, a free port, and the free movement of goods, property, and capital in Hong Kong. So when the BRI was proposed, Hong Kong was well placed to play the super connector role for the countries and regions under the BRI. Super connector means a key link and the prime platform for the BRI. Hong Kong can capitalize on these advantages in areas such as international project financing, offshore RMB business, professional services, as well as economic and trade cooperation. That's a huge opportunity for Hong Kong. New partners, projects, and deeper connections with the world. But wait, there are more buffs on Hong Kong's road cards. The key phrase is Overseas Economic and Trade Cooperation Zones. This is a very long phrase, so we will refer it to cooperation zones. This came from a memorandum signed by the Ministry of Commerce and the Hong Kong SAR government last year. It allows Hong Kong to use the cooperation zones to deeply engage in the BRI. Well, what are cooperation zones and why are they important? Simply put, they are overseas industrial parks invested by Chinese enterprises. Right now, there are hundreds of them scattered in Asia, Africa, and Europe, where SMEs could use them as alternative production bases and enjoy preferential policies. They make the whole thing so much easier. Now, Hong Kong's enterprises were also introduced to the cooperation zones where they don't have to do the overseas adventure by themselves. They can take advantage of the resources of the cooperation zones to, explore new markets. On the other hand, the cooperation zones can also welcome higher quality services from Hong Kong. It's like Hong Kong has a better and a larger stage to play this role and to show up its advantages in the BRI. Meanwhile, it's also a sign saying that you are really important to us, Hong Kong, and we want to have a future with you. Hong Kong's deeper engagement in the BRI is also part of China's most important strategy in recent years, the new dual circulation development pattern. Hong Kong's growing economic ties with the rest of the world and ongoing integration into the Greater Bay Area will enable Hong Kong to play a significant role in this pattern. If you want to know more about the GBA and how Hong Kong is positioned in China's most recent 5-year plan, you can click and watch our previous episode on this. So that's all for today's unboxing. Thanks for watching. Again, feel free to leave a comment if you want to unbox a thing with us. See you!